The steel I'm using for this knife is 1095 high carbon steel. You also can get 1080 steel or 1085. So the first step is I grab my wooden template and I just mark around it with a simple pencil, or you can do a marker, or if you have a paper template, you can just write right over it and get a good template. So this is so that when I go to the angle grinder, I have something to go off for my knife. I do go a little outside the lines, make sure you do. I ended up using marker for my outline just because I could see it better in the lighting. Alright guys, so we just got done with the angle grinder and got it to rough shape. It's pretty bad looking. But next step is to get this guy actually shaped and looking pretty good. So what we're gonna do is go to the belt sander and just sand away. It's probably gonna take up most of my time today, but that's what it takes to make a nice knife. So let's get into that sweet time lapse. At this point, I got the knife to the shape I want, and now I'm just getting an old chain file saw and getting some sandpaper and just going over it to smooth it out. Time lapse time. I marked the lines. I'm going to taper it too while the battery was charging, but it was looking pretty fantastic so far. So we're going to get to doing that. We're going to do a fine belt and take our time with this. This is probably the most nerve-wracking part because it's probably the hardest part, and you could fail. If you fail, you're kind of done. So we're going to get to doing that. So it's about a month later, and I bought some fireproof bricks and made it into a little forge, and I got 2 bowl torches. So I started that up. It took probably close to 2 hours to quench this thing. Then I got some canola oil and put it in a cup, and waited until it got cherry red, just past magnetized, where it cannot stick to a magnet, and put it in there for another minute, and then got it nice and cherry red, and then went ahead and quenched it, and it came out pretty good. I'm happy. I think it came out pretty solid. And now is time for the handle once I clean this guy up, and yeah. I'm gluing the handle with epoxy, and if I mess this up, it could be bad news. So the battery died, and I put a few clamps on it and just let it sit for probably close to 6 hours, and then took it to the belt sander and was just getting it to shape there, and then pretty much just all little final work on the handle after that. So just watch these time lapses, and then I'll catch you guys in just a second. Well, I don't really have any more footage to show you because that is pretty much the whole entire build. I'm going to show you some photos in just a second, but I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That would mean a ton for me. And yeah, for my first knife, I think I did pretty well. I just got to sharpen it now and build a case for it, and I'm pretty much done with the knife. But for the video, I'm done. So, hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.